Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream to English. In this particular video, I am going to discuss phrasal verbs that start with K letter in English. So make sure do watch this video till the end. And one more thing, I have an amazing gift for you and this is an ebook. By the help of this ebook, you can enhance pronunciation and vocabulary of your child applying 8 steps which I have written in this ebook. So don't forget to avail this free gift using given link in description box. My name is Dr. Ratan Patel and I am an English grammar trainer. I help all students who wants to improve their English grammar. So let's deep dive into today's topic, phrasal verbs. Phrasal verb is a verb that can be created by the help of a verb and a preposition or an adverb, sometimes both. When we create a phrasal verb, it always gives a new meaning for particular verb. So let's learn phrasal verb that start with K letter. So here is first one. This is keep away from something, to prevent somebody, something from going somewhere. दूर रहना. Her illness kept her away from work for several weeks. Next one is keep down, to hide yourself by not standing up straight. दबा देना, दमन करना. Keep down, you must not let anyone see you. Next one, keep on, to continue. जारी रखना. I want to keep on with part-time work for as long as possible. Next one is keep off, to prevent somebody, something from coming near, touching, etc. Somebody, something. दूर रहना, नहीं आना. They lit a fire to keep off wild animals. Next one is keep under, to control or oppress somebody. अधीन करना, दबा देना. The local people are kept under the army. Next one is keep up with somebody, something. To move, make progress or increase at the same rate as somebody, something. जारी रखना, अच्छी अवस्था में बनाए रखना. I can't keep up with all the changes. Next one is knock about, knock around. To travel and live in various places. इधर उधर घूमना, यात्रा करना और अनुभव करना. He spent a few years knocking around Europe. Next one is knock down, to hit somebody and make them fall to the ground. मारकर गिरा देना. He knocked his opponent down 3 times in the first round. Next one is knock off, to stop doing something, especially work. बंद कर देना, काम छोड़ देना. What time do you knock off work? Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any doubt, any question, you can put your doubt or question in comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.